If you are a long-stay foreign national resident of Hong Kong, to be eligible for the right of abode, you need to have had continuous residence in Hong Kong for a period of not less than 7 years, all the while holding a qualifying residence visa, and unfortunately this excludes foreign domestic helpers and persons admitted under the Supplementary Labour Scheme. And critically, you have to be able to declare that you've taken Hong Kong as your only place of residence, and you need to be able to demonstrate this as evidenced by your intention and conduct.
As a long-stay foreign national resident of Hong Kong, you can claim the right of abode by applying to verify your eligibility for a Hong Kong permanent identity card. And for our purposes, this means that you are a non-Chinese citizen resident in Hong Kong for not less than 7 years. There are a variety of other ways for persons of Chinese descent and nationality to claim the right of abode, but this discussion is limited to long-stay foreign nationals. You need to be able to show that you have had 7 years continuous ordinary residence in Hong Kong. And you need to be able to show that there are no outstanding taxation liabilities, nor are there any security objections to you being given the right of abode in Hong Kong. So, all told, the key challenge is to be able to argue away any periods of missing residence. Absences from Hong Kong of more than 6 months will require proof that, irrespective of the length of absence, at the time of your departure from the HKSAR, your intention was to depart only temporarily. Your application can also be complicated by the fact that you could be holding permanent residence in a third country, not being the country of the passport which you are currently holding. You see, case law which underpins the current procedures for governing how the right of abode is administered by the Director of Immigration state that the applicant should be able to demonstrate that he has taken concrete steps via intention and conduct to having taken Hong Kong as his only place of permanent residence. This notwithstanding, the Immigration Department do appear to have taken a liberal interpretation of the words of the judge, but it could be prudent to downplay the fact of any third country permanent residence at the time that you're declaring you've taken Hong Kong as your current only place of permanent residence.
The next step is for you to review the visa information document. This details each of the essential elements of a successfully argued Hong Kong visa case and contains in-context links to all of the resources needed to prepare your application. These include application templates, the online application forms, screencasts on how to complete the forms, a checklist of all the documents you need to prepare as part of the submission bundle, a crib sheet on how to submit your application, and audio discussions of some of the finer points of official policy and procedure and specific case examples from the past which will serve to help you by way of illustration. Let's go to the visa information document now.